This video will provide guidance on the proper steps for installation of a TB Woods L-jaw coupling. Please observe proper lockout-tagout procedures for safety's sake. To start, let's review the structure of the L-jaw design. There are two hubs that are identical except for maybe bore size. And there is an elastomeric element which fits between the jaws of the two hubs. We're using the urethane element, which is blue in color, for our demonstration. The Buna is more common and is black in color. To properly assemble the unit, you will need to know what size you have. All units include the size stamped into the end of the hub. Or you can compare unit diameter to Table 1 in the installation manual. We have a 3 3/4 inch diameter unit which matches the size 150. To start, simply make sure that the shafts you will mount to and the hubs are free of dirt or burrs or lubrication. Slide one coupling half onto each shaft with the appropriate key for the bore you have. It is best to have the shaft completely inserted into the bore of each hub. Loosely tighten the set screw on one side so the hub stays in position. Insert the element into that hub. Slide the second hub so that the element is fully engaged by both hubs. It is best to keep the element centered between the two shafts. Fully tighten the set screws for both hubs. At this point, we are ready to check for misalignment. We will check for both parallel and angular misalignment. To check the parallel misalignment, place a straight edge so it is flat on one hub and measure any offset to the other hub at several places without rotating the shafts. We find we do not have any gap and so are within the target value. To check angular misalignment, use a micrometer or caliper. Measure from the back of one hub to the back of the other at several places without rotating the hubs. We're installing a size L150 and therefore with the elastomeric element can tolerate up to 0.065 of an inch of misalignment. We find we have misalignment in excess of that value and therefore need to adjust our motor alignment appropriately. After we have realigned our motor, we find we are within the tolerance. Once you have fully engaged the element, fully tightened the hubs in place, and confirmed that you are within the tolerances for both parallel and angular misalignment, your L-jaw coupling is properly installed and ready for use. Thank you for your time and attention. If you have any questions, you can contact us at TB Woods Technical Support. Thank you.